Classification of folk dance according to geography and nature, movements, and formation. In geography of folk dances, there are two categories that they undergo: the national dances and the local dances. National dances is a dance that is found throughout the island. Example of this are the Rigodon, Cariñosa, and the La Jota Maniliña. Rigodon is a dance that originated in Spain, commonly performed in a formal affairs. The next one is the Cariñosa, a dance that describes affectionate, friendly, and a lovely woman. And this dance is usually performed in school, particularly in Buwana Wika during the high school day. The last one is the La Jota Maniliña. It has a great costume and a graceful movement, noticeably inspired by a Spanish culture. The second geography is the local dances. It is a dance state found in a locality. Example of this is Tinikling in Leyte, Subli in Batangas. Tinikling dances is I experienced this kind of dance during my grade school days. I think when I was in grade 6. And this dance has a mimic movement of a tickling birds, and the dancers should perform it with remarkable grace and speed jumping between the bamboo poles. And now let's proceed to the nature of Philippine folk dance, which are the occupation dances, the religious or ceremonial, the comic dances, game dances, wedding dances, courtship dances, festival dances, and the war dances. Next is the movements. Movements can be also improvised, which means that dancers can make it up on the spot when they dance. In contrast of actual movements, it occurs in a single location. Movement that travel through space that is referred to as a locomotor movement. Actually, there are two types of movements. These are the locomotor movements and the non-locomotor movements. The locomotor movements is a movements that take you from place to another place. Example of this is walk, run, leap, and more. And the non-locomotor movements is the movements that do not take you from a place to another place. An example of this is stretch, bend, swing and sway, and more. And the dancers is composed with a variety of locomotor and non-locomotor movements. The movements used to create the dance with a beginning, middle, and end. So last to formation. Formation is the creative presence of any art form of dance. The best artistic kind and efforts in arranging in various dancers into a particular position so as to appeal the audiences with conveyed messages intended. The most art form of dance will attain their beauty when the abstract beauty, but we but the position idea to sculpture the providing meanings. Example of this is the easiest and simplest form. And this is the closed circle. And that's all. Thank you.